Looking for the best way for cryptocurrency tracking and tax reporting? This tool analyzes your trades and generates real-time reports on profit and loss, the value of your coins, realized and unrealized gains, reports for taxes and much more. With the prices for 18,741 coins and assets, you'll always have a complete overview. For personal analysis you get 25 customizable crypto reports, interactive charts for trades and coins, profit, loss and audit reports, realized and unrealized gains reports. For trade imports you will have easy import from 110+ exchanges, automatic import via APIs, direct sync with the blockchain, export in Excel, PDF, CSV, XML and JSON. Your tax declaration is supported by tax reports for 100+ countries, capital gains, income, mining, etc. 13 tax methods: FIFO, LIFO, AVCO. Tax export for CPAs and the tax office. To follow coin charts and trends you will have chart history for all 18,741 coins. Always the latest prices for all coins. Top coins by trades and by volume. Coin trends, statistics and analysis. If you need professional help, this tool will offer crypto tax laws for 100+ countries. You can share your data with crypto tax advisors. Have tax reviews by the full-service team. Or detailed tutorials, video guides and FAQ. For security and encryption you are backed by data and API encryption, two-factor authentication. You can create and restore trade backups. And no access to your exchanges or even email is required. So click now to start for free and get a 10% discount if you decide for a paid plan.